Okay, so the last one we're going to learn today is angle bisector. Angle bisector. So as you know, an angle looks like this. It has a vertex and two rays. It makes an angle. And then the bisector is a segment that breaks the angle exactly in half at the midway point of the angle. So this over here is the same degree measure as this over here. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to follow the directions. We're going to start with the compass, so make sure you have that handy. So construct the angle bisector of angle A, place the compass tip at point A, draw an arc that intersects both rays of the angle, and label the intersections B and C. So from A, we're just going to make an arc that intersects both rays. So from A, that's what we're going to do. Make an arc that intersects both rays. Label the intersection B and C. Okay, then the next step is you're going to put your compass on B. You can keep the same measurement. It just has to be greater than half of this opening, so that way it connects and intersects, which you'll see in a second. So from point B, we're going to make a mark like this up here. And then from C, same mark. And if you come across a situation, especially on Alex, where they don't intersect like that, just open the compass a little bit more and it will intersect. And then this intersection we're going to label Q. And then we connect A to Q to make the angle bisector. Okay. I'm going to go through the steps again with the next one. So for number 1, make an arc that goes through both rays. Slid a little bit, but we got it. We're good. Okay, so this is B and C. Make sure it's an opening that's greater than 1/2, which it is. From point B, I make a mark like this. My compass keeps sliding. And then mark right here. This is point Q. We connect A to Q. And so with this angle bisector, angle CAQ is congruent to angle QAB. Like this side of the angle equals this side of the angle. Then number 2 here, same thing. From A, make an arc that goes through both rays. That's B and C. Then from C, make a mark here. Then from B, same mark. B point Q. And then last step, connect Q to A. So angle CAQ congruent to angle QAB. Okay, so we're going to stop there, and then you're going to have the rest of the class to do the constructions on Alex. So yesterday, here I'll zoom out. Yesterday you focused on these two, Alex, the constructing congruent line segments and congruent angles. Today I want you to start with perpendicular bisectors and then go to angle bisectors, and I'll also show it up on the board too. So if you need it, I'll be here to help. Okay, so grab a laptop. You can put as you get up, you can put the compass and ruler in the bins too. Yes.